How to remove a line from T-Mobile. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be guiding you on how to remove a line on your T-Mobile app. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video. For that, you need to go to T-Mobile app and log in into your account. You can use your credentials in order to log in. And once logged in, head over to the account section and look for a section like manage lines and or lines and devices. After you find it, the next step you need to apply is select the line that you want to remove, and there should be an option called cancel or deactivate that line or remove your line. So you just need to follow the on-screen prompts in order to confirm it and remove it. After that, if the online cancellation is support for your account, you should find an option to initiate the cancellation process. Just follow on the on-screen prompts and instructions and you'll be receiving a confirmation message in your phone number. You just need to go ahead and enter it and then review your account details to ensure the line has been cancelled. And after also removing the line, check your final bill and you may be charged for the line up until the removal date, including any remaining fees or installments. And that is it. That is how you do it. That is how you remove a line on your T-Mobile application just by following up the steps that I'm showing on the screen right now. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.